This quick guide will teach you how to put a character filter in Tableau, a powerful tool for data visualization. Whether you're a data analyst or just someone who wants to make sense of your data, understanding how to apply character filters can enhance your ability to customize your data views and make more informed decisions. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to tableau.com. If you haven't done so already, make sure you log in with your credentials to access your Tableau environment. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Tableau homepage, which should display your recent projects. This is where we'll begin our journey. Next, on the homepage, navigate to the Recent section. Here, you will find a list of your recent projects and dashboards. Identify and select the project you want to work with. This will open up your project in the Tableau workspace where you can start applying the filters. Once your project is open, look to the left of the screen where you'll see the Tables section. This area contains all the data tables associated with your current project. For the next step, you'll need to select the table that contains the data you wish to filter. Click on that table and, while holding down your mouse button, drag it over to the Filters section on the right side of your screen. This action will enable you to begin setting up your character filter. With your table now in the Filters section, it's time to specify the type of filter. Click on the Wildcard option. Wildcard filtering allows you to specify patterns to match your data, offering a flexible way to filter text-based fields. This is particularly useful when you want to include or exclude data that matches a certain character pattern. In the Wildcard Filter dialog box, you'll need to enter the match value. This is where you specify the character pattern you want to filter by. For example, if you're interested in filtering out entries that start with a specific letter or contain a certain sequence of characters, you can input that pattern here. Be sure to enter it carefully to ensure your filter works as intended. Once you've entered your match value, the final step is to click OK to apply the filter. This action will update your data view to reflect the changes, showing only those entries that match the specified character pattern. Take a moment to review your data and ensure the filter has been applied correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a character filter to your Tableau project. This can be a powerful way to manipulate and drill down into your data, helping you to focus on the most relevant information for your analysis. By using character filters, you can customize your data views to suit your specific needs, making Tableau a more powerful tool in your data analysis toolkit. Thank you for watching and happy data exploring. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Tableau.